Hello people of the world, it's Rachel and I am back to do another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing something different from the other videos that I have posted. I'm going to be doing 50 random facts about me, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better and kind of put my personality into my channel a little bit. So let's get going. I am a Capricorn. I love anything to do with the paranormal, so ghosts, spirits, everything like that is so interesting to me. I have my own ghost stories. I'm sure everybody does, but I have my own ghost stories, specifically with a Ouija board, that are very chilling and disturbing. So if you guys would like to hear that story, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will gladly tell that story. It still gives me chills to this day. My favorite thing to do in the entire world is watch movies with friends and family. I am absolutely obsessed with watching football. My favorite football team is the Kansas City Chiefs. My dad grew up in Kansas City, and so he's raised me to be a Chiefs fan since I was a little baby. I have freckles on my left leg in the shape of the Big Dipper. I love sweets. I have the biggest sweet tooth. I love cake, pie, candy, anything like that. I am a sweetaholic. My favorite YouTuber is Raw Beauty Christie. I just think she is the absolute best. She's so funny, she's so talented at makeup. I just love her so much. I have a sick obsession with candles, specifically the cinnamon spiced vanilla one from Bath & Body Works. Oh my gosh, I actually have it burning right now. Let me grab it. This is my favorite candle on the face of the earth. Cinnamon spiced vanilla. I have it in this little holder. You guys, I have probably 25 to 30 candles in my room. I'm obsessed. I have a sick obsession. Unfortunately, I have asthma, which leads me into my next one. I am allergic to a lot of things. I'm allergic to animals with fur, grass, cantaloupe, avocado, watermelon, pecans, sesame seeds. There's more, but I'm forgetting. I'm allergic to a lot of things. I have a black belt in Taekwondo. I got it when I was 11 years old, so it's a kid's black belt, but it still counts. My favorite season is fall. You can probably guess why. I love candles. I love feeling cozy. I love when the leaves start changing. It's my absolute favorite, and I am literally counting down the days until it is fall. My favorite animated movie is actually a tie between The Little Mermaid and The Incredibles. I am a huge Star Wars nerd. Two of my all-time favorite movies are Black Swan and The Social Network. I would explain why, but to go into detail would probably take me like 2 videos. I was in marching band in high school. I played clarinet for 6 years. I also was in choir in high school. I was the alto section leader in high school choir. Both of my parents come from creative backgrounds. My mother has a career in musical theater, and my dad is an art director / production designer for TV commercials. I hate green olives. I have traveled to 6 different countries and hopefully more soon. I hardly ever drink alcohol, but if I do, I always get a mojito. I drive a 2009 Volkswagen Jetta. I love making people laugh. My favorite type of weather is cold with thunderstorms and lightning and rain. That's my favorite. I just adopted a cat from the shelter, even though I'm allergic to cats. I had such a strong bond with this cat when I first met her. Her name is Bella. I will insert a picture here. She is my love. She's my baby girl. I love her so much, even though I sneeze a lot, but it's worth it. One of my favorite bands is Pentatonics. My Starbucks order is a grande iced soy chai latte, always. I will be graduating college in December of 2019. Right now I am addicted to the song Sober by Demi Lovato. I always sleep with a fan on in my room. It has to be super cold in order for me to sleep. I love to read. My favorite genre is murder mystery / thriller. My favorite book is The Woman in the Window by A.J. Finn. Absolutely would recommend. It's so good. I've been in 10 car accidents. I cannot stand applesauce. Well, even just like saying it makes me gag. I love to sing. My hands are abnormally small. I know it's kind of hard to tell here, but they are very small. My favorite TV show of all time is Breaking Bad. I watched the entire series for the first time in I think like a week and a half. It was, I was obsessed. And I've watched the entire series all the way through 3 times. My least favorite movie is Napoleon Dynamite. I hope to one day receive an Academy Award for Best Cinematography. My brother Harry is my #1 best friend. My favorite type of cake is red velvet cake. I have dyed my hair over 30 times. My biggest pet peeve is when people have bad hygiene. I hate Old Spice deodorant. It makes me physically ill when I smell it. One of my favorite places on earth is Chat and Chill. It's a restaurant in Exuma, Bahamas. I'll put a picture here. I've been here a couple times with family. It is just an absolutely peaceful and beautiful place. I am without a doubt a night owl. My friends can vouch for this. I am very, very picky when it comes to buying clothes. I will not date a man who does not like football or watch football. I've been to 4 different colleges. I have extremely vivid dreams to the point where I can sit down and draw what happened. And last but certainly not least, I worked on a movie called Trash Fire. It is on Netflix. I was a production assistant on it. It was so much fun and I cannot wait to get back on set. So that is it, guys. Those are my 50 random facts about me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think my subscribe button is somewhere down there. If you guys have any other recommendations for videos that you would like to see, either makeup related or not makeup related, definitely let me know in the comments down below. So that's it for this one. I will see you guys on my next video. Ghosts, spirits, anything like that. Like an entire video. I did work on a movie called, oh god. Well, that I think I watched the first. I always sleep with a